one of the very interesting things that the inquiry of the Health and Social Committee, which was launched a few months ago in order to ensure that bariatric services are enhanced throughout Wales and sort of match what's happening more or less in England. And I think it's a fantastic experience because we were able to be honest, to give our frank opinion to members of that committee, critical opinion, and how do we see the way forward in the management of obesity in Wales. As you know, that Wales is truly troubled with this nasty disease which is called obesity. The epidemic of it is still rising, and we need to put a halt on it, and we need on this side, and we need also to reverse this back. And as you know, that we are second to the US, and obesity prevalence is far more in Wales than any other part of the UK.